Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome back to Curry Bhavya. How are you guys doing? Hope you all are fit and fine. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a very special recipe. Why am I saying it's special? Because it is very special. It is something which is rich in amino acids, protein, calcium, iron. This is just great for your hair, skin, bones, everything. And if you have suffered from COVID, and this will help you in speedy recovery. This is something just amazing, a kind of superfood. So what are we making today? Today we are making ragi rava dosa. Yes, we are making ragi dosa, which is very simple, very tasty, very delicious, and very quick also. So what do we need? We need some basic, very few ingredients, and the basic ingredients which we need are curd, ragi flour, and rava. That's it. Along with this, just some spices, curry leaves, onions, green chilies, cumin. Just mix everything and make it in just a time of 15 minutes. Hope you will enjoy the video and surely try this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video.
Take a mixing bowl, add half a cup of curd to it. Then add one medium-sized finely chopped onions. Around half a tablespoon of jeera, 1/4 tablespoon of grated ginger, some finely chopped green chilies which you can adjust as per your spice levels, chopped curry leaves, now mix this well. Now add 1 cup of ragi flour, around 1/4 cup of rava. This rava will only give the crispy texture to the dosa. Salt as per taste. Now mix everything well. Mixing this well at this stage will avoid lumps. Now add water to this mixture. We want a runny batter, so just eyeball the water. Now mix this really well. Once the batter is ready, let this rest for around 10 minutes. We have rested the batter for 10 minutes. Look at its consistency. Now we can add a little more water to this. This is the perfect consistency which I was looking for. Now the pan is hot. It's time to pour our batter. This is how we pour the batter with a little height. The batter will automatically spread out. Unlike regular dosa, we need not have to spread it. Now just put a little oil and let this cook for a couple of minutes. Once it's cooked, you will notice that the edges have turned brown and leaving the tawa. Then you gently scrape the edges and flip the dosa. Cook the other side also for couple of minutes. And that's it, our ragi dosa is ready. Likewise, make all the dosas. If you feel the dosa is small or not in good shape, you can always pour the extra batter around. If you want a very crispy dosa, you can always add more water to the batter and then pour it. In that way, it will be more thin and more crisp. Enjoy this with any of your favorite pickle or chutney. Bye.